First fight between St. Francis versus New Generation. First blood by jersey number 7. Good for 2. Jersey number 7 to jersey number 15. Sa gitna, jumper on the side using the glass, no good. And jersey number 3 setting the table to jersey number 18 with the paint. And jersey number 7 pass to jersey number 11, shot, no good. And jersey number 4 ang may tama ng bola. Wala, tapikan, jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 7 sa ilalim. And still by jersey number 7 to jersey number 3 on the go. Too short. Nagid. Wala ba na lang jersey number 08. Pass jersey number 7. And out of. And jersey number 3 crossing the record, setting the table. To jersey number 7 to jersey number 11, jumper, yes sir!
Wala!
And jersey number 7 setting the play. Pass jersey number 15. Taking a smart, looking for a brand to jersey number 11, jersey number 11 to jersey number 18. Pass jersey number 11, 5. Bang! Terry! And jersey number 3, crossing the record, setting the table. Pass to jersey number 18, too short. And rebound to jersey number 14, out of. And rebound to jersey number 7 to jersey number 4 with the flip, yes sir! Score natin 6-3 in favor of New Generation. Ay, hindi pa na. Good for 2. Baba sa isa ang kalamangan na may tama ng bola. And jersey number 3 sa ilalim. Nice shot. Good for 2. And jersey number 7 setting the play. Shot clock down to 15. Pass jersey number 15. Too strong and rebound by jersey number 3. Pass. And steal by jersey number 11 to jersey number 18. Yes sir. And jersey number 3 ang magtitimon. Jersey number 3 pass jersey number 11. No good. Tapigan, no ibabaw. Jersey number 8 to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 7 and jersey number 7. No good. Dribble to jersey number 18 to jersey number 11. Shot clock down to 10. 3 seconds. And jersey number 3 ang may tama ng bola. Pass to jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 being troubled. And jersey number 11 jumper. No good and rebound by jersey number 8. Pass jersey number 15. Jersey number 15 to Ignacio. Jersey number 11 looking for a friend to jersey number 7 to jersey number 18. Traveling. And jersey number 3 is setting the table. Jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 11 to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 18. Puts it up. And there's the result. All by jersey number 4. Magandang gabi po sa ating hermano mayon, Mr. Tantan Villarino. And jersey number 11, pass jersey number 7 to jersey number 15, being troubled. But there's the result found to be there.
Sino ba yun?
And jersey number 18. Yes, sir. Page Playboy. And jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 pass. Jersey number 7. Puts it up. No good. Tabika, namay ibabaw. Jersey number 8. Pass. Jersey number 11. Being Clamont. And still got jersey number 7. Pass. Jersey number 11. No good. And jersey number 7. Ang magtitimon. Sa gilid. No good. Jersey number 3.
Biyahe mo na!
Ano bola? Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 is slicing the road to jersey number 11. Yes, sir. Change favor.
12-13.
And jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 7. Shot clock down to 15. 5. No good.
Wala.
And rebound to jersey number 18. Yes, sir. Change favor. And jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Looking for to jersey number 7 to Cruz. Sa ilalim.
Nice.
And jersey number 18, that's jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Being troubled and there's some. And jersey number 7 ang may tama ng bola. Jersey number 7 taking smart to jersey number 18 sa gilid using the gas. C42. And jersey number 23 pass to jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 sa gilid. Jersey number 23 puts it up. No good. Tapping out jersey number 15 ng ibabaw. Jersey number 11 to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 looking for a friend pass to jersey number 11 to jersey number 7. 5. No good. Tapping out ng ibabaw. Mga nakaputi. Jersey number 18 setting the table. 5. Bang! Three! That now, all 13. And jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, taking smart, looking for a friend to jersey number 15. Second time, jersey number 18. Yes, sir. Lost puntos. And jersey number 23, pass jersey number 4. No good. And out of bounds. 5. Good for 2. Deadlock, all 15. And jersey number 7, take smart, pass jersey number 11 to jersey number 18, puts it up. No good. Pass jersey number 18. Jersey number 18, 5. No good. And good to do by jersey number 0. Change people. And jersey number 11, 5. No good. Dribble by jersey number 0. Pass jersey number 18. Jersey number 18. Pupukol sa gilid. Jersey number 21. And rebound by jersey number 23 to jersey number 18. 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining. And jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 7. And jersey number 16. Pass jersey number 23. Last 1 minute exactly. And jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, ang magtitimon. Pass jersey number 9 and jersey number 23. Pass jersey number 9 to jersey number 16 to jersey number 23 sa gilid. And jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 on the go. Yes, sir. Last 30 seconds. And jersey number 23 to jersey number 16 to jersey number 0. And the first personal foul, first team foul. 13 fouls rather. Out of shooting, 2 throws to be given. No good. Connection sa whistle. Last throw. Yes, sir.
Seconds lang.
And jersey number 7 crossing the midcourt, setting the table.
Oras.
15 seconds.
Last shot.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Nice. Yung highlights,
And jersey number 25 Sagilid. And still by jersey number 23 long pass, jersey number 9 on the go. And there's a bit of foul. Jersey number 20. No good.
Hoy! Tira mo agad ha! Kyle!
Last throw. No good. And rebound by jersey number 27. And still by jersey number 21. Nice shot. Lead to ball to Cage Baseball.
Lapitan, lapit.
And jersey number 7. And there's the result foul committed by jersey number 0. First personal foul. Sa inyo ng hagit sarap, ang tunay na sarap sa single mom mo lang malalansa.
Okay, kahit isa lang, okay lang yan!
Kahit kalahati, pwede na.
Last throw.
Kung may kalahati, pwede.
Buo nga eh.
Nice one.
Ilalim iso.
And jersey number 23 pass jersey number 9 jumper. No good hand rebound by jersey number 0. And there's
dalawa na ba kayo?
foul committed by jersey
Ay, kaya, yung ikaw.
number
Nakadala ka na.
24 on
Sino?
key.
Sino ano?
Asan ba baby niya? Ay, yun, asawa mo!
First personal foul, second team foul.
Bakit ako doon ka?
Nice one. Last throw.
Kaya na ba? Kaya na? Kaya na? Sabihin nila, tara. Hoy! Si Russell!
Good for one. 7 plus the record, setting the play.
Docs!
Jersey number 27, taking smart shot clock down to 15 to jersey number 25, Sagilid, jersey number 8, jumper too short. And rebound by jersey number 16. And jersey number
Uy, traveling!
21.
Nice one!
bouncing. And jersey number 7.
Dito isa.
Jersey number 27, pass jersey number 25, 5!
Ay, wag ganun!
Number 23, pass jersey number 9, to jersey number 23, Ramos, pass jersey number 0, and jersey number 10, pass jersey number 27, jersey number 27 to jersey number 8, no good. And rebound by jersey number 23, long pass jersey number 9, no good. Sa kanya pa rin. Wala, tabigan, mangingibabaw. Jersey number 25 to jersey number 27. Jersey number 27, taking his mark. Shot clock down to 15, 5. Jerry! That's all 22. Jersey number 23, no good. And jersey number 0, yes sir. And jersey number 27, ang magtitimon. Jersey number 27, puts it up. Too short. Number 23, pass jersey number 0. No good and rebound to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 setting the table. Jersey number 11 puts it up. No good and rebound to jersey number 0. Long pass jersey number 9. Traveling violation. And jersey number 11.
Relax lang.
Digimon. Jersey number 11 looking for a play to jersey number 25. 5. No good. And we move to jersey number 16 to jersey number 11 to jersey number 25. Eagle Bay. Rattling. And jersey number 23, Ramos. Sa ilalim, jersey number 16 to jersey number 0 to jersey number 26, jumper. Clay. Yes, sir.
Score.
26 to 22. Jersey number 11, looking for a friend shot down to the Sakuragi Tumira. Wala. And jersey number 10, 23 rather. Yes, sir.
Time out.
Jersey number 25, warning for technical for shouting. Traveling. Ng kanyang mga barangay konsyal at sa kanyang bantay bayan na gabi-gabing nakasuporta sa ating paliga sa pangunguna ni Jefe George Talentino. And jersey number, but there's some traveling violation. And jersey number 7 to jersey number 25. Jersey number 25 to jersey number 7 plus jersey number 11 with the break. Jumper using the glass. Yes, sir.
Maganda rin so, hindi padali ng bola. Dos lang siya.
Jersey number 23 pass.
Hanap ng ano, doon sa gilid ba, para makatira.
Nangibabaw, jersey number 18. Pass jersey number, then out of bounds.
Hanap siya ng ano, bakpunti.
And jersey number 11. Pass
Yun ang hanapin ni ano.
Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, jersey number 7. Puts it up. Too short. And remove jersey number 18. Jersey now basket down. Number 18. Ardales. Yes, sir. And jersey number 23. Jersey number 23 to jersey number 9. 5. No good. And jersey number 18. To jersey number 29. And jersey number 18 pass. Jersey number 11 to jersey number 18 to jersey number 23. Jersey number 23 to jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 sa ilalim. Jersey number 26. Lays.
Wala.
3-point shot opportunity to be given to jersey number 26. Yes, sir. And
Kaya yan.
jersey number 7 rather.
Kunin mo.
Jersey number 7 taking smart, looking for a friend sa gilid. Jersey number 29 to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 to jersey number 29. 5. Too short and remove to jersey number 18 to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, jumper, no good. And there's a whistle.
Magagalit si Kap.
Jersey number 13, push
Ano daw?
ball.
Magagalit daw si Kap.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Ikot. Huwag mo steady. Ilang, baba.
And jersey number. But there's a whistle, may contact yan. Foul, jersey number 18, pushing foul. Second personal foul,
Ninyo, ikot.
warning for penalty.
Dalawa kayo.
And jersey number 23, pass jersey number 7.
Bigay kabila.
Pass jersey number 11 sa gitna, jersey number 18. And jersey number 11, jersey number 7 with a break shot knocked down to 10. 5. And jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 being trouble to jersey number 20. On
Uy!
the goal! Gets the basket at make a sound of a foul. Who's foul at jersey number 20? And 33-27, remaining time 3 minutes and 10 seconds. And jersey number 23 pass jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 taking smart, pulls it up. No good. Pass jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. And out of ball. Jersey number 7 ang pagtitimon. Jersey number 7 looking for a friend. Pass jersey number 23 to jersey number
Nice.
7. Jersey number 7. With the side, but dropping. You. Jersey number 18. Jersey number 23. Ramos. Ramos taking his point. And jersey number 7 pass jersey number 11, Ignacio. Ignacio pass jersey number 18, jersey number 18, big trouble. Load, no good. And
Baba, guys, baba!
jersey number 22, jersey number 18 pass, jersey number 23, jersey number 23, on the go. Out of bounds. And jersey number 7.
Sab ka dun, sab.
Jersey number 7 na magtitimon.
Reserve ka na dun. Punta ka na dun.
Jersey number 7. Looking for a friend to jersey number 23 to jersey number 7 sa gilid. And jersey number 4 to jersey number 23. Pass jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Jumper. Number 9. To jersey number 18. Jersey number 29. 5. Too short. And dribble to jersey number 0. Pass
Reserve ka na
jersey
dun,
number
pre.
18.
Reserve ka na dun.
Jersey number 18 is
Punta ka na dun. Reserve yan. Tubo ka lang.
No good. And rebound by jersey number 29. To jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Taking his mark, being troubled. Jersey number 7 to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 to jersey number 18. 5. No good.
Pagod na yan.
And rebound by jersey number 0.
Sab ka, sab ka.
Pass jersey number 18. Last 45 seconds.
45 seconds lang.
15 second shot clock.
Ilan?
And jersey
45,
number 18.
30 na lang.
Last 37 seconds.
Uga, uga.
Jersey number 11.
Tapos na pala.
Last 30 seconds. Nice shot. Good for 2. And jersey number 23. Last 25 seconds. Good. Good and rebound by jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, but there's some himself. Foul. No good. Let's throw.
Baba na! Baba! Baba na kayo.
Last throw. Yes, sir. To jersey number 23, Ramos' first throw is good.
Oras, oras.
Last throw. Last 11 seconds.
Baba!
And
Last
jersey
shot.
number 15.
Nice.
No good. 5 seconds.
Kastira pa.
And jersey number 3 pass. Jersey number 21 to jersey number 23. To jersey number 21 on the go. And out of bounds. Nugent's ball. And jersey number 15 setting the table. Jersey number 15 to jersey number 23, jumper, no good. And jersey number 23 to jersey number 15, pass to jersey number 11, 10 second shot clock. To jersey number 17, no good. And jersey number 21 to jersey number 7, pass jersey number 3 to jersey number 4, jumper, no good. And rebound by jersey number 11.
Bigay, bigay.
Pass jersey number 15. Jersey number 15 looking for a friend. Pass jersey number 11 puts it up. No good. And rebound with jersey number 4. Pass jersey number 7 to jersey number 3. To jersey number 0. Nice shot. Good for 2. And jersey number 15. Jersey number 15 being harassed by jersey number 3. Pass jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 17. No good and rebound by jersey number 8. Pass jersey number 15 to jersey number 11. To jersey number 17. And jersey number 11. Nice shot. Good for 2. And jersey number 3 ang magtitimon. Jersey number 3 looking for a friend to jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 4 puts it up. No good. And jersey number 0, nice shot, easy for 2. And jersey number 15, setting the play. Jersey number 15, looking for a friend. Shot block down to 15. And jersey number, but still by jersey number 33. Yes, sir. And jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 being troubled. Pass to jersey number 08. No, the rebound by jersey number 4. Jersey number 3. Ang magtataka. Looking for a friend sa gilid. And jersey number. No good. Jersey number 08. Pass jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 setting the table. Shot lock down.
Malas. Ay, bukas ulit.
And jersey number 18 pass. Jersey number 15 puts it up. Rest. Good pass. Pagpulan at 39-35. Lamang pa rin mo ang St. Francis. Jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 4. No good. And block, but there's some first throw.
Score.
Nice one. And jersey number 11. Jersey number 11.
Isa pa, lakas!
Too strong and rebound by jersey number 3. Pass jersey number 21. Yes, sir.
Go!
And jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. No good and rebound by jersey number 0. Pass jersey number 21. Leonardo on the goal. No good. Inbound by jersey number 17 to jersey number 11 to jersey number 17. Jersey number 17 pass jersey number 15 on the go to jersey number 18 and jersey number 18 pass jersey number 17 on the go, no good and rebound by jersey number 0 pass jersey number 3 Cruz, jersey number 3 on the go, yes sir.
Dalawa ba tayo mount? Dalawa.
And jersey number 15 crossing the record, setting the table. And jersey number 15 setting the table. Pass jersey number 17. Shot clock down to 10. Nice shot. Good for 2. And jersey number 23.
Oras.
Jersey number 3 rather.
Oras.
Pass jersey number 21. 5 minutes and 18 seconds. And jersey number. No good. Tapikan makikita ng jersey number 15 to jersey number 17. Block. And jersey number 4 pass jersey number 7. Exactly 5 minutes. And jersey number 45-37. And jersey number 11. Still and out of bounds. 45-37 in favor of St.
Basta wag lang lumayo yan hanggang fourth quarter. Third quarter pa, no?
Jersey number 18 pass, jersey number 7, jersey number 7. Taking his mark. Shot clock down to 5. And jersey number 7.
Hira!
Jersey number...
Nice.
By jersey number 18. Goes.
Harap!
45-39. And jersey number, but still by jersey number 27. On the goal. Yes, sir.
Score! Apat lang yan!
And jersey number 21. Nice shot. Good for 2.
Jay, kunin mo!
Jersey number 27. Pass jersey number 7 ang magtitimon. Jersey number 7 taking smart shot knocked down to 15. Jersey number 7. Jumper.
Nice!
Sir. Dos. Punto. Ang poging team. And jersey number 21 pass jersey number 11. Jersey number 0 no good. And rebound by jersey number 18 pass jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, jumper sa ilalim. And rebound to jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 4. No good, sa kanya pa rin. To jersey number. And no good.
Nice. Takbo, balik.
Jersey number 7. Magtatangka. Jersey number 7. And kick the ball.
Apat.
And jersey number 11. To jersey number 7 with the flip. Yes, sir.
Okay lang yan.
49-43.
Ankle break eh.
And jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 on the go. Pass jersey number 11. Puts it up. And Curry. 46-49. And jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Magtatangka. To jersey number 11.
Kapitan.
Jersey number 11 sa gilid. Jersey number 21 to jersey number 11. Shot clock down to 10. Hollow bounce. Black ball.
Huwag mo turuin, Rip.
Substitution ref.
Bay, baba na.
And jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 taking smart, looking for a friend. To jersey number 11 to jersey number 18. Right, Jack. Good point too. Babas na kalamangan ng isang may tangan ng bola. 49-48. And jersey number 11 to jersey number 23 puts it up! Bang bang! To change play.
Bagod.
And jersey number 7 to jersey
Nice
number
one.
9 shot. Good for
Kanyan,
you.
Zay, kanyan.
And jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 7. 5. No good.
Kunin mo, Zay.
Number 11. Pass jersey number
Balik.
7. Jersey number 7. Taking smart. Looking for a friend. Pass jersey number 11. 5. And jersey number 18. No good. Pass jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 23. Nice shot. Good for 2. Pass jersey number 8. Pass jersey number 11 to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 taking smart. Setting the table. And jersey number 7 magtatangka. Sa kanya pa rin. Jumper.
Bang.
And jersey number 23. Long pass. And jersey number 7 ang may tanga ng bola.
Kabila.
Jersey number 7 down to 15. Last 50 seconds.
Nice one.
Jersey number 20.
Taas kamay.
Jumper. Yes, sir. Dos puntos.
Challenge.
And jersey number 11. No good. And jersey number 23. Pass jersey number 7. Nice shot. Good for 2. Balik sa anim ang kalamangan ng mga nakaputi. And jersey number
Joey, kunin mo.
7. Last 10 seconds. Jersey number 11, technical 4. Laki yung vision.
Tinawanan niya.
Hindi na yun.
Illegal ambisyon.
Dapat sinugot ko yung mata.
Diretso na.
Joey!
Nice one.
Kunin mo agad yung bola. Kabado si Andres.
Score mo natin 58-53.
Okay.
Jersey number 18 ang magtatangka. 5 seconds.
Binigay.
Quarter sa pagitan pa rin po yan ng same.
Fourth quarter, guys.
Versus New Generation.
Okay, pwede yan. Kabila. Pwede yan tanggapin dito.
Jersey number 18. Pass jersey number. 7, 5. Not good. And remember jersey number 18. Pass jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 on. They go to jersey number 23. Jersey number 23. Atake. Jersey number 0. Pass jersey number 9 again. Tapikan jersey number 0. Nice shot. 3-point shot opportunity to be given to jersey number 0. Nice shot. Good for all. And jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 ang magtitimon. Jersey number 7 looking for a friend. And jersey number 7 big trouble shot knocked down to 10. Jersey number 27 shot knocked down to 5. Yes sir! Dos puntos. Mag-ready na po yung next game natin.
Sipag, sipag!
Division SF Central versus United. And jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Pass jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 27. Jumper on the side. Nice shot. Good for two.
Harap, harap agad!
And jersey number 18 ang magtatangka. Jersey number 18 puts it up. Not good. And remember jersey number.
Nice one.
And there's the
Nice one.
foul committed. First team foul. And jersey number 7. 5.
Short.
Too short and remember jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 being harassed by jersey number 18. Atake.
Save!
Score po natin 61-57. Jersey number 7 looking for a friend, and jersey number 7 taking his mark
Kick ball.
and kick the ball.
Score, score!
And jersey number 24 taking his mark looking for a friend. And jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. And jersey number 7 pass jersey number 27. Jersey number 27 to jersey number 11 with a fake jumper. No good. And rebound by jersey number 16. Long pass jersey number 23 on the go.
Taas na yung kamay, ah.
Sorry.
Tumalon
Siya
pa ngayong ano, bumangga.
27.
Kundi siya tumalon.
Second personal foul, second team foul. Last 7 minutes and 32 seconds.
5 minutes, pasok ako.
Katawin mo na.
5 minutes.
Nalipat niya po yung speaker dito sa tabi. Last throw. Neged. And out of bounds, sing ball. Five. Neged. And we will be jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, Peter Wood. Jersey number 7, Nicholas with jersey number 23. Neged. And out of bounds. White ball.
Baba, baba! Harap na agad daw, naka-line mo na.
Number 11.
Buti na lang. Yung pass break sa kabila.
Jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 7. Put zero.
Nice!
Hooray!
Okay, lapitan mo, lapitan mo.
Para sa may tama ng bola. Yes sir. Balik dapat ang katamangan.
Laro na si
And jersey number 7. 64-60 ang ating score. Jersey number 7. Bumukol. No good. And remember jersey number 24. And remember jersey number 0. Sa gila jersey number 23. Ramos. Para kasa. Yes sir.
Wala na.
And jersey number 24, pass jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 looking for a friend. Jersey number 7, pass jersey number 27 to jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 7, sa gilid jersey number 8 with the paint.
Nice one! Ay,
Too
putik!
strong. And jersey number 0. Pass jersey number 9.
Yan ang
Yes,
problema.
sir.
Sab na, 5 na.
And jersey
Sige,
number
kayo na.
11. Jersey number 11 to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Magtatangka. Jersey number 7.
Counted!
David. And long pass jersey number 11. Out of bounds. And jersey number 7. Setting the table. Shot clock down to 15. 5 minutes and 30. Pass jersey number 18 to jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 24, jumper. No good, and remember jersey number 0. Pass jersey number 23, Ramos on the goal, slicing the road. Yes, sir.
Score ba yun? Kyle, gitna mo, Kyle.
Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 looking for a friend. Taking it smart. Shot clock down to 10. And jersey numbers 8 down to 5. Jersey number 11 to jersey number 23. And
Time out na.
jersey number 7
Meron pa to, meron pa.
to jersey number 27. Pass jersey number 24, jersey number 24 on the go. No good, and remember jersey number 16. Pass jersey number 4, jersey number 4, atake. And gets the bucket, Michael Samamo. Hey, Mama, jersey number 11 to jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 7. And jersey number 7 taking smart, shot clock down to 15. Pass jersey number 15 to jersey number 11, puts it up.
Nice.
And great.
Oh, tingnan mo!
And jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 on the goal. Jersey number 0, nice shot, good for 2. 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Kulang kayo
Jersey
dyan,
number
oy!
7 on the go. Jersey number 7 taking smart to jersey number 11. Ball! No good. And remember jersey number 3 long pass jersey number 16 on the go. Nice shot. Good for 2. 78-63. Jersey number 18 pass jersey number 15 to jersey number 18. Jersey number 18 magtatangka to jersey number 15. Jumper. No good.
Nice!
But there's a whistle. Who's going to rep jersey number? 16. First, personal ball warning for penalty.
Laki lang ka ba? Hindi makapompa.
Hindi mo ka...
And pass jersey number 11. Pass jersey number 7.
Nice one!
And 3 points by jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 23. Pass jersey number 0. 2 minutes and 58 seconds. 3 seconds violation.
Adrian! Bawi, bawi! Kaya laki lang ka ba yung gag?
And jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 on the go. No good. But there's the whistle ball committed by jersey number 16. No good. Ayan, mag-ready na po yung next game natin. SF Centro versus United. No good. And jersey number 4, Pipile to jersey number 23. 3 seconds violation. 78-66. And jersey number 7 pass jersey number 11, 5. But there's a whistle. 78-66.
Let's go. Oras,
Number 4, push foul.
oras, taruhin ko.
3 shots tayo, 3 shots. First row. Last row. Sorry, last row na. Good for on. Warning for delaying the game. Jersey number 3. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Sa ilalim. Lagut, tabigan mangingibabaw jersey number 0. Jumper. Yes, sir. And jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 past jersey number 15. Last 1 minute and 55 seconds. And jersey number 11 magtatangka sa gilid. Jersey number 18, no good. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 0. Jumper. No good. And jersey number. And still the jersey number 3. Out of bounds. And jersey number 7. Setting the table. Shot clock down to 15. 5 minutes and 30. Pass jersey number 18 to jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 24. Jumper. No good. And rebound by jersey number 0. Pass jersey number 23. Ramos on the goal. Slicing the road. Yes, sir.
Kyle, gitna mo, Kyle.
Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 looking for a friend. Taking it smart. Shot clock down to 10. And jersey numbers 8 down to 5. Jersey number 11 to jersey number 23.